Well, let's check back in with ABC 7's Chief Meteorologist Bob Harrigan.
Live at the Big Top tonight at Circus Sarasota. Hi, Bob.
Hi, I can't wait. The performance tonight, 7 o'clock. Linda Carson, the guest ringmaster. We have Stephanie Webb tomorrow. We have Ray Collins as well over the weekend on Sunday. AJ Silver, new act here for the event. AJ, what do you do?
I'm paying tribute to the Wild West shows that used to tour with the early circuses in America. Trick roping, whip cracking, high energy act.
I always like that whip cracking too, and also the lassoing as well.
Yeah, trick roping, when you think of trick roping, you think of Will Rogers, famous American.
Right.
Not an easy skill to learn, just like...
And I heard you over talking to the photographer about how you started. You actually saw a performance and you went into it, right?
Yeah, when I was a little boy, I saw the rodeo at Madison Square Garden and I saw trick riding. And I said, that's what I want to do. I actually started my career as an acrobat on horses, trick riding.
Is that right? You got to dream big. Show us a little bit before we get into the weather real quick. Here's AJ Silver right now. He'll take us into the weather as I explain what's going on. Look how good that is right there. All right. And here's what's happening with our weather. Casey Key showing some clouds around. Satellite and radar showing some clouds around right now. And the clouds are bringing a light shower here and there, but not a lot. The upper level winds continue to feed right over the top of us. And he's still going at it. He's pretty good, too. He's got it right around the top of him there. Satellite and radar picture showing some rain well to the north, too. And that rain is going to stay basically to the north. That's the heavy rain that you see there in moderate rain. We're going to see a brief shower here and there, but not a lot expected over the weekend. Your day planner looks good tomorrow. We'll see some sunshine occasionally, maybe some fog in the morning. High temperature still above average at 80 degrees. And as far as the Good Morning Sun goes, you'll see that on Monday. Stephanie Webb will be here, and so will Ray Collins, as I mentioned. Saturday, Stephanie, and Sunday, Ray Collins. And as far as the Futurecast goes, not much going on for us here tomorrow. As I mentioned, maybe some sea fog out there for Mariners, so keep that in mind. But we're not expecting any widespread concentrated rainfall. As I said, a brief shower not out of the question. 76 right now. The sun is set. The dew point 66. And the high today was 84 degrees. The low was warm, too. 84, well above average. 2 degrees shy of a record, by the way. 76 currently at the Sarasota Bradenton Airport at 79 in Sebring, and Wauchula at 79, Cortez at 72. A bit cooler near the water, but the water temperature warming up too at 69 degrees. Tomorrow looks good, doesn't it? A bit warm for this time of year, but still not bad. Satellite and radar imagery showing a system moving through the Great Lakes and throughout the upper Midwest, causing some snow earlier today, causing schools to close in Toledo and Detroit and places to the north near South Bend. And that snow is starting to wind down, but guess what? There's another system heading in, and it'll be there on Sunday. As more snow is anticipated, there's still some warnings across parts of southern portions of Michigan, northern Indiana, and into Illinois. Well, the future Euro forecast is calling for a lot of clouds and showers to the north of us, into Georgia, into the panhandle of Florida, stretching off to the northeast, but not much going on here. The only downside will be the potential for some fog over the upcoming nights, all the way through mainly Tuesday of next week. Well, patchy fog tonight possible, winds out of the southeast, turning to the south at 5 to 10 knots, and seas running 2 feet or less. So pretty good boating weather out there. Water temperature at 77 degrees. The water temperature, 68 degree water temperature, 77 for a forecast. Partly cloudy, 65, and some patchy fog. And as far as the forecast goes for the next 7 days, here it is. We will see temperatures warming into the low 80s all the way through the next 7 days. He got me. Get him off the show. He's had enough. AJ, thanks a lot.
Thank you. Come see the circus.
That's right.
You won't regret it.
You won't. It's going to be around for a while, too. Go to our website or Circus Arts Conservatory for tickets. Back to you guys.